Kathy here from kathyskutekreations with
her sidekick Megan from Blue Sky.
This is the follow-up to the last Fort Worth Fabric Studio where I asked you to let me know if you wanted the fabric to follow me along with the kit. With the kit.
There you go.
Okay, so here is the container. 35 people said they'd like to have it. Megan is going to do the drawing.
Am I in the bowl?
Yeah.
Mix it up a little.
Okay.
Who's this? Whose name okay.
Tina Macy.
Congratulations, Tina.
And now, as an added surprise, if you watched the video to the very end, you would have seen something and a comment. And for, was it 9 ladies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? 8. 6. There were 8 people who watched it to the very end, followed the directions. This is the dog. So their name is right here, their names. And so we're going to pull their names out, and then I'm going to show you what they get. Okay.
You're doing it.
Okay,
look that way. Look that way.
I'm not going to be able to see it anyway. All right, let's see what we got.
Okay. And the winner is...
Drum roll. Denise Hoffman. You are the winner. Okay, you want to put it up there?
Yes. There you go.
Now, this is what Denise won.
Wait. Congratulations,
Denise. First off,
put her name over there.
This is a journal. It's got lined paper. It has a little pink bookmark.
It's floral.
So this way you can follow along and go ahead and write down the weeks and what you're doing and all that kind of stuff, or just do it for whatever.
So it has, the flowers are like shiny. I don't know if you can see there. I'm trying not to. In there.
And then the next thing I got for you, because I did not know if you had your fabrics or whatever, is a fat quarter bundle, 20 pieces. There it is. And it's boundless, so it's got a lot of different colors. It is not open. I'm not opening it to show everybody. This is Denise's now. It's going packaged just like that. Okay, it's got a lot of, let's put it up a little close here. Check out all those.
It's a variety pack.
Quarters. Is really
How many
nice.
are in there? 20?
20. Okay. And congratulations, ladies. And I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye, everybody.
See you next time.
And send me your address by email so I can package these up and get them off. All right? Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
That's right.